Okay guys, welcome back, and here we go for another rare unboxing of Kyosho Mini Z's, guys. This is not run-of-the-mill stuff. This is stuff you're going to find easily available. These are things that might have been discontinued. Some of them might not be officially rare, but they're hard to get hold of, guys. And I've had to go to Japan, well, not go myself, but buy things from Japan, France, Germany, Spain, all over, guys, just to get some of these little beauties. So let's move on to the next little batch. So, okay, and there goes my doorbell. Woo-hoo. The postman's really coming in today. Right. You know, someone else will get it. I'll just carry on. Okay, so, right. Oh, can you tell what that is? It's a Chevrolet Caprice, GM Motors. Can you tell? So it's the same body shell as the police cars. And I don't know why I got this, but then I thought, I'm gonna do a crazy taxi. I think I'm gonna have to go, guys. A crazy taxi version, RC version. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. Always seems to happen when I do my videos. That's why half the time I sound out of breath. Right, okay. Have you guessed what that is? Let's move on. Right, let's get it out. And I like the way, again, you can tell the quality of sellers by the packaging. This is packaged pretty well. And this is, again, a person that I've been dealing with quite a bit. This is Sao-gun, or Sao-jun. And I mentioned him in my previous vids, guys. So there's a number with that, I can't remember the number. But cool seller from Japan, he's got some really rare stuff, guys. And you know what? I missed out on a really cool shell, man. I was bartering with it, and somebody bought it. It wasn't written for me. Okay, so that's the taxi, guys. Never had a taxi before, and I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna make a crazy taxi vid. And I'm really contemplating, like I do my little car vids, yeah. I'm really contemplating doing a GTA version, RC version, guys. I was thinking GTA in Legoland or Playmobil GTA, I don't know. So it's just going to have loads of crash, smash, trains and all kinds of crazy business. So I actually, went and got a train track and stuff like that. So just to make it a bit different, I want to do my own version of Tokyo Drift. Right, this is the babe. Guys, when I saw this, it was one of them I was like, oh my goodness, that is totally amazing. I like Lambos anyway. They need to be bringing out more Lambos, but for the moment we're stuck with the Murcielago. But out of all of the Murcielagos I've seen, this is beautiful, man. Guys, you need to see this. These are, feast your eyes on this. And I didn't have these, and I think they're aluminium wheels. They don't feel too heavy, but I think they are. So let's take it out. Let's go from the back. Look at that. Something else in there? No, not you. Oh, there isn't. Okay. Oh my goodness, guys. Yeah, when you see it from that kind of an angle, it just looks mental, man. I like that, man. I like that. Anyway, let's have a 360 of the car. It's going to be on the display stand, guys, so my big hands won't be all over it. Alright, so I didn't realise it's actually been like professionally done. I've never seen one of these before. So it's got the D2 and the R-Core decals that you see in the Mercedes as well. So really well done, and I've never come across one of these before, and I was thinking, hey, that looks like it's been released as a proper decal kit version. First one I've ever seen, and as soon as I saw it I went, oh my goodness, check out the babe. So yeah, that's where we ended up, and my friend Sao-gun, whatever it's called, he sorted it out. I like, you know, from that angle there, that wheel just looks crazy, man. That blown out kind of look. You know me, guys, deep dish. Beautiful. Yeah, that's gonna be a thumbnail. That's definitely gonna be a thumbnail, guys. Babe, man, that is a beautiful car. So anyhow, we'll put that. What's that rattling sound? Why are you rattling? Oh right, there's something inside there. It's not the car falling to bits. Right. Okay. There was a bit of an issue with, I think, the spoiler, but it seems okay. Right. So, okay, we'll start there. I don't want to make it too long, guys, because it's going to be over an hour if I put them all together. Like this, it's probably going to end up being less than 10 minutes, and I don't think you guys get that bored watching it for 10 minutes. The birds aren't kicking in today. Normally they try to interrupt my recording. Whenever I put the camera on, they just want to tweet, literally. So I think they're having a bit of a rest today, taking it easy on me. So we'll look at them to understand and move on to the third one. Third one, guys, pretty cool. Check out this Mitsubishi that's in here. And then we move on to the Japanese kits, and there's some crazy stuff in there, guys. So, check them out on display stand. Get ready for the next vid, guys. Some amazing stuff about to meet you guys on this channel. Okay, guys, so here we've got the Chevrolet Caprice Taxi, which is the 1996 version. I don't really know much about the police car version. You can put LEDs into the actual light bar on the roof. I don't know about the Taxi. I have got a 6 LED light kit that will fit this, so I could have the 2 whites in the headlights, 2 in the rear for brake lights, that red, and I've got 2 orange. Hopefully, I don't know if it's wishful thinking, guys, I'm just hoping that I can fit LEDs into that light bar at the top, because the police car is almost the same, but that light bar looks kind of thin. Anyway, let's take it out of there. Let's have a look at it outside the display case. Okay, guys. Let's have a little look at it. And as I took it out of the display case, I tried to get a little bit of a look inside the actual car. It does seem as though there is space for 2 small 3mm LEDs. I'm hoping so. I find that hole on the back really annoying. I know they did that for the original versions, like the MR01, which were 27 megahertz. So obviously they needed like a big aerial sticking out, but they've got that hole on some of the newer shells as well. I'm sure they have. A bit annoying, because we don't need antennas sticking out now. I'm definitely going to glue the emblem in, because that'll come straight off. The older cars tended to come with the slanty kind of display case, and the all-wheel drive cars as well. The cases are a bit smaller. But that's nice, and if it does fit them lights in, that'll be absolutely amazing. Okay. I'm trying to make these unboxings a bit shorter, and the time on the display stand a bit shorter as well, guys. Right, let's have a quick look. I don't know if you guys can see, but can you see there's like some pretending, what they do is they put pretending LEDs in, you pop them out, and then you put in your actual LEDs. So I don't know if you can see, but there's like a pretending LED in there. So yeah, it should be able to work. If that does work, then be ready for the crazy taxi video. Right then, guys, so we've got the Lamborghini, and I love this shell. I think it looks totally amazing. I think they really got it right. It's probably my favourite Lamborghini shell. I like Lamborghinis, but I think the decals, I've never seen a Mini Z Lamborghini with decals on it. That's the first one. I may be wrong. So this Warsteiner kind of look, I wasn't a fan of the Warsteiner look on the Mercedes AMG. I think they kind of ruined the car. The birds are kicking in again every time I record. But on this, well, that D2 Arcor decal kind of thing. I like the deep dish wheels. I think the rear wheels on this look absolutely amazing. That looks so cool in a vid. I like the, I think it's a metallic kind of gold, because I'd hoped it was going to be metallic, because I wasn't a fan of the gold that's on the Chrysler. It just looks so flat, so dull, and it's probably because it's not metallic. I'll show you it quickly. I don't know how that seems to you guys. It's just a gloss. It's not metallic. It actually makes it like a toy car, but you know what you're seeing over there is the real deal. Looks totally amazing. That is definitely in my top 6. I know the list is under 6 now. Since that Sylvia Hancock's come out. But yeah, if you haven't seen that, go watch it. Beautiful, beautiful, well detailed, decaled car. It's really weird. I'm recording now and everyone seems to be doing roadworks, birds are out, people are cutting the grass. No problems, we will persevere. So yeah, I think it looks totally cool. Absolutely amazing, guys. I don't know, what do you guys think? Tell me in the comments. So that's definitely in my top 6. The list is getting a little bit bigger, but definitely top 6. I would put that pretty high in my top 6. That's definitely top 3. Easily. I think it's just the fact that it's unique. Have you ever seen one? I haven't. I've never seen a Lamborghini kitted out like that. Just looks totally amazing. It's not officially rare. And as far as I've known, I didn't even know they released like a racing Lamborghini in Mini Z's. Didn't know. So when I saw it, even though it was in Japan, and this is where I started first trading with Saujin 4338. When I saw that, I was like, oh my goodness, you know. So after a bit of bartering, I thought somebody else had bought it, guys. It came off the listing. I don't know what happened. And then he got back to me and said, do you want it? I says, yep, defo. And yeah, and the rest is history. And here it is. That's usually worked out pretty well for me, except for right now when I was negotiating on a Citroen DS3 Ice One. Beautiful. Wow. That's one that slipped away, man. Somebody got in there and did the bite now. That was pretty, man. I mean, obviously it's not as exotic as the supercars here, but there was real attention to that. I've never seen decals like that was on the Ice One. Beautiful. Anyway, who knows? If it's written for me, it will turn up and you'll see it on this display stand. Right, guys, let's move on to other ones. Had to share that beauty, guys. Couldn't wait for that to come in the post. Was absolutely in love with that car. A definite top 3, without a doubt. Okay,